Thank you to Kenny Bullet. They're going to have some stuff to deal with later on. ABC crowd. Great job. He's coming to say hello, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a big wave. Mike Waters, Hagerstown, Maryland. From Boston, Beauty. And he for Mikey Waters second. And they will be back. In the building, push the limit. Indoors and outdoors. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hagerstown, Maryland, Michael Waters. And with here we go, here we go. Lots of room to move here at Capital City Speedway. On the infield, Waters setting it up. The concept Yes. And big snap. And now, good jump. Beauty, hey, hey! Higher education gets higher and higher. Here we go. Michael Waters, the father, coming at him once again. Nice job. Leaning a little bit to the left. Higher education, 557 cubic inches. Lighten it up. Slow alcohol injection. 1,500 horsepower. On anger management. How about that for Monster? It is the second-year veteran, Waters. On board, Mikey Waters, the second wave to the crowd. He's down there with us. There we go. And whenever you're ready. Mikey Waters, the second, is going to stay right here near us. And first up, here comes Eddie Como, Oxford Mills, Ontario. Gets it done. Takes it around. He was running rough a little earlier. He's not running rough now. Anger management. Oops. Eddie. Eddie coming around. Looks like he's going to go to the far side. He likes what he sees there. No, he doesn't want to. Eddie, what are you going to do? Eddie. Eddie says, let's just on this car. Nice bounce, Eddie Como. They move fast and there he goes. Fast Eddie having a good time. Oh no, he's going to pass on. Fast Eddie's going to come around this way. Here we go. Here we go, line it up. Eddie Como, ladies and gentlemen, anger management. Off the mirror. Eddie Como, anger management. Yes. How about that, ladies? Here we go. Eddie's setting it up. Not sure what he's going to do. Look at it. Takes a pass. Turns around. Eddie Como. anybody anything like that. Eddie having a good time. There we go. Michael Bonner. They are like up and over. I wonder if this is going, they're going to try to jump one down for 8 minutes. No, I don't think so. Eddie Como out of the truck, ladies and gentlemen. Eddie Como, Oxford Mills, Ontario. Mass City. Here we go. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. Bring it around. Jump it over. Light it up. Nice job. Nice job. Not at all. Coming up. Here we go. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Here we go. Bring it around. Jump it over. Light it up. Nice job. Nice job. Not at all. Coming up. That was close. There we go. Nice job, Michael Bonner. Taking it up. On the far side, setting them up. Oh, yeah! How about that? Take that little car. Nice job. Nice job. Here we go, around the light post. Light it up one more time. Michael Bonner. Michael says we're going to do it one more time. Oh my. That was crazy. Michael Bonner. Gonna come around right by the crowd. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Michael Bonner. Hagerstown, Pennsylvania, Texas, Maryland. Oh, I thought he was done. And he is on his way through. Michael Bonner, Hagerstown, and how? And a big thank you to Eddie Como.